Now that we've got our Google action up and running, and you can test it on any of your Google devices, let's go over to Amazon Alexa so that way you can test this on any of your Alexa devices. Go to the developer for Amazon page and then go to the top right and select skills. Create a skill and call it Smart Lock. Create the skill, leave the options the same and click next. And now we'll scroll down and we're going to import our agent just like we did for Dialogflow. Go into Alexa skill. Inside of platforms, go into Alexa skill, and then go inside of models and drag and drop that model file, the .json, in there. Click save and build. And then you can see that all of our intents have already updated over on the left side. So now we can test our app. Oh, before we test, we have to add our webhook URL, our fulfillment endpoint. So we'll scroll down to endpoints, and because we're running locally right now, we'll make it HTTPS, copy our Jovo webhook URL, and paste it. Then in the dropdown, we want to select that our certification is secure. Save those endpoints and head back over to testing. Copy the invocation name before you head over to testing, just so you can make sure you copy it right. Enable testing, and then paste the invocation name, which is SmartLock. And then we get our response from our app. So it's now running on both Google and now on any of your Amazon Echo devices. You can go ahead and try the test app by saying, Alexa, SmartLock, or Alexa, launch my SmartLock. And you can try it out on any of your Alexa devices that are signed into the same account.